Hi everyone, introducing myself, my name is Chika Febiola Samantha. Here I want to explain a little material about law and business law, detailed explanation. Okay, one, introducing law in general. Law is a system of rules created and enforced by a recognized authority to regulate behavior within a society. It exists to maintain order, protect rights and obligation, and ensure just as among individuals and groups. Law is not just a written set of rules in reflection the moral value, ethic and custom of a society. It applies to all members, including individuals and legal entities, and is enforced through sanctions when violated. Law is divided into various branches, such as criminal law, civil law, constitutional law, international law, administrative law, and one of the most essential for the economic sector, business law. What is business law? Business law is a branch of law that governs all aspects of business and commercial active. It include law regulation, regulating contracts, buying and selling, companies, partnership, intellectual property rights, bankruptcy, and legal responsibility of business actor. Business law provides a legal framework that ensure fair, transparent, and secure operation in the business world. The main purpose of business law are one, to provide legal certainty in business active. Two, protect the right and obligation of business actor. Three, to ensure fair market competition. Four, regulates the relationship between business and customer, government, and other third parties. And last, uh, key compon key components of business law. Several important elements within business law are commonly studied and explained in practice. One, contract law. Contract law, this is the foundation of mass business transaction. It governs how agreements are formed, the legal requirement for a valid contract, and the consequences of breaches. Written contract ensure clarity in right and obligation between parties. Through com- corporate law, corporate law, this is it governance the establishment, management, and dissolution of business entities such as limited liability companies, partnership, and cooperative. This is include the responsibility of the director, shareholder protection, and principles of good good corporate governance. Three, bankruptcy and debt subsumption Subvention law. It provides mechanisms for resolving financial distresses when a company cannot pay its debts. It offers a legal solution for both creditor and debtor to handle debts fairly. 4. Customer protection law. It protects customer rights during transaction and obligation business to offer safe, honest, and quality product or service. It covers labeling, advertising, product guarantees, and compensation for damage caused by fault goods. 5. Competition law. This ensures that no business engaged in monopolistic practical cartels or unfair competition. In Indonesia, the KPPU Commission for the Supervision of Business Competition regulation these are to keep the market healthy. Uh, Council in Indonesia, the government continue to reform and enforce business regulation to promote easy of doing business and boost competitiveness. However, major challenges still exist, include bureaucracy, corruption, weak law enforcement. Conclusion. In summary, law is the foundation for maintaining order and justice in society. While business law is a critical instrument for regulation and protecting and definition of commercial activity. Uh, a strong understanding of business law is essential not only for legal professionals but also for entrepreneur, manager, investor, and other stakeholders. As solid legal knowledge support sound business dedication and long-term success. That's all I can say. See you.